Tito Mikey Reyes.
What is up, everyone? My name is Tito Mikey. Always happy to be here representing Yamaha. Isang hiyawan naman dyan para sa Yamaha! Yun! Alright, it's great to be here and I'm absolutely charged with the spirit of Yamaha. Get ready, mga kapatid, because today we're not just looking at the future of riding. We are igniting it one amazing moment at a time. And this year's motor show dares you to break free from the familiar. May iba naman tayo. Usually nga nakasuka ko eh. Pero ngayon, labas tayo sa pamilya at diba doon tayo, let's blaze through our day and our afternoon. Blaze past the expected and right beyond the ordinary. Because only those who have the grit will uncover what's next. And for the next 3 days, from today till Sunday, dito sa One Ayala, you will discover Yamaha's collection of world-class, high-performance motorcycles, all made to deliver Kanto. Diba? Kanto. Mga kapatid, a Japanese word to express the feeling of satisfaction and excitement when you encounter something that's truly exceptional. Kumbaga, may nararamdaman ninyo pag nag-ride kayo ng Yamaha motorcycles. Sawa? May feeling of satisfaction ba? Parang wala. May feeling of satisfaction ba? Yun ang Kanto. And of course, you have various food activities, freebies, and other surprises. So be sure to go around. Sa mga dyan po sa class, pwede po kayo bumabati to experience Yamaha up close and of course explore and anticipate our programs. Also, don't forget sa mga content creators natin dyan or sa mga nagpo-post po dyan, your videos, your photos, your stories, mga finding nyo dyan. Please don't forget to tag our official media, social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube at Yamaha Philippines. Alright, you can also visit our website at yamaha-motor.com.ph and of course use our official hashtag Yamaha Motor Show or Motor Show 2025. Hopefully everybody's medyo busy na tayo at mag-alas 12 sa atin nakapag-lunch na tayo. Pero right now, actually excited ako because pagkita natin lahat ng motor ng Yamaha, excited ako makita ating buhay yung mga iba-ibang motorcycles na nandito ngayon sa ating venue. Of course, na tayo sa home course in One Ayala. First up, we have our Yamaha motorcycle display. Kita nyo naman, kompleto. And let's check out muna yung ating Yamaha 125s. Ayan po yung mga Yamaha 125 natin. Alright, so ito yung commuter bikes natin. For those who are looking for motorcycles for daily use, di ba? Kahit saan pwedeng dalhin yan. Especially kung city driving lang tayo. We have the Yamaha Mio